We about to see what's up. But right now, personally, I have longs at the previous day's low, anticipating a potential push to the top side. So my longs are at 11,725 right in here. I got longs with about a 50-point stop loss. Where is that? Trying to get in the right area. 25 is where I got the longs at. Ideally, this high up here would be the best case scenario in case it's a full reversal. But ideally, if I'm risking 50 points, all I need is about, if we can make it up to, I say, 11,900, that would be best case scenario in case the price does still have a push to the downside. But right now, I'm almost at TP1. So when we do get that hit, we'll see what happens. But until then, we're not. It's not over till it's over. We're still in the game. But hold on, bro. I'll grab my other phone. We finna see what's up. What's up, Kel? What's cracking? We finna see what's up. I'm trying to get this push. We still got 11 minutes on this candle. If this 15-minute candle isn't engulfing, I think we should be good for a push, even if it's just 11,900 or 11,850. That's all I really want to see. But we'll see. Only time will tell. More than likely, if this doesn't play out, this will be my only trade for the day anyway. So one and done. We'll see what happens. And we're still in this area in price where price could drop. So that's one thing I'm keeping in mind also, based off of this fair value gap on the daily. So that's something I do want to keep in mind. But like I said, all I need is a move to 850 or 900, and then it can drop from there.
Yeah, 30's pushing.
That's what I'm saying. That's part of the reason why I wanted to see Nas push, because it came and cleared that previous day's low. US30 had cleared. I think it was one of the lows from yesterday, or Easing session low. I think it was.
Going back short in this area, low key.
But even then, US30 looks like it's in the middle of a retrace. So we'll see. I'm giving it time now. I'm ideally bearish too, but I would only be bearish to sell on a retracement. So it's either gonna push and give me that retracement, or it's gonna drop, stop this out, and then I'll be done anyway. We'll see. No risk, no reward. But yeah, we got Trump.
Back up to
Trump coming back 2024.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
2023. No, is it? No, 2024, yeah.
Yeah.
We gonna see what's up. See how these markets gonna be playing. I need some volume.
We may just come back up to like the area around the Asia low.
That's cool. Like even if I can get to 800, that's well enough for me, because I'll at least be able to break even by then. As long as I can get a 1 to 1.
Go back up.
Yeah, I gave it a 50-point stop. I gave it a little bit of a wider stop today, just to let it play out. I ain't trying to have a situation like yesterday where my stop loss would have never got hit, but my break even did. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I thought I was sad when I got stopped 2 break evens. That was before it even dropped. This sad face was really me. It was really the mood yesterday. Shit is devious. Hey, you win some, you lose some, and you miss some. That's what I always say.
We don't really got much more news besides crude oil and then FOMC, but those are low impact. People keep stepping in for buys though. Retail sentiment keeps going up for longs. Weird.
really be on the go. I was in my car 10 minutes ago. Now I'm in a trade. What a life. What we gonna see? We got 7 minutes for this 15-minute candle. Oh, what's the 5 minute? Oh, 5 minute doesn't look good. All right, we'll see what happens. 1 minute's looking like it's bearish too. 1 hour, we still got time on the 1 hour candle, but we'll see. I gotta see how these next 15 minute and this next 30 an hour candle close. Going into 10 o'clock.
I'm wishing I would have helped myself from yesterday, or at least my runner.
Wish I would have not broke even so fast.
Yeah, it never even broke even.
Shit, that's cool. All learning experiences. I like to dream out a bit.
Warzone 2 dropped today.
Oh yeah, at 1 o'clock. Hopefully, I could win a trade. Because if I can win a trade and play Warzone 2, it's gonna be a good day. Are we back at around break even now? Let's see. Let's see. 5 minutes on this candle. These 5 minutes are gonna tell a lot. If it closes mad bearish, but if we close a wick, I'll still hold. But if we close mad bearish, I don't know if I want to hold it. Let me just watch this 1 minute. Let's see if it's gonna come for this low right here, which it more than likely is. I had a dream out of it. Yeah, at least we're starting to reject again. Like I said, if this 5 minute candle closes a rejection, I mean, if the 15 minute closes a rejection, or at least above the previous day's low, then we still should be good. So I'm just keeping in mind, we just went into the new hour. So we just went into 10 o'clock. So we still have 49 minutes on that hour candle. So this could just be the downward for this hour. And there's still a lot of room to the upside. But that all comes down to why my stop loss is about 50 points. So it gives me a little bit of a wider stop in case this does play around within this area. But I do know based off the previous day's lows where I would want to see price have this reaction to the top side. But we'll see. Only time will tell. Like I said, ideally 800 to 850 is where, 850 to 900 is ideally where I want to see price go up to. That would be best case scenario.
If we break short-term high right there, it'll establish a low.
Yeah, I want to see this just remain bullish for the next 2 minutes. So this 15-minute candle closes a rejection. 3 minutes. I don't want it to close bearish.
Wednesday. Wacky Wednesday.
Shit. Oh shit.
Every day got some kind of crazy day.
At this point, we got a name for each day of the week. They all got their own
Manipulated
characteristics.
Mondays, trashy days,
What Sundays be? Fucking
shitty.
n-
So,
none day Sunday.
yeah,
None day Sunday. All right, we are
you could be
closing. This
remaining
is
abstinent.
this is like what I want to see. If we can close at least like a rejection like this for this 15-minute candle, it'll give me more reason to keep holding. But if we close like down here, ooh, it's still possible. But you know, it's all about probabilities. And if this closes a bullish doji, oh yeah, I'm holding this to the moon. One candle could tell you a lot. No cap. No cap.
Candlestick anatomy. That's
Mm-hmm.
why.
Because one thing for the candle, like if you're looking at it like this, that candle doesn't mean shit, right? But if you look at it with everything, all your markups and analysis and time of day and area, then it's like, okay, it's just more confluence. That's all. But even all this confluence, I can still lose a trade. So we'll see what happens.
We're at a quarter level, huh? 725.
I'm trying to see if we can stay above 750. If we can stay above 750 on like the hour time frame, I think that would be good.
I like half levels better than quarters.
You said half levels?
Yeah, like the 50 marks and the 100.
Hmm. Yeah, I don't really. I like the whole ones. I look at the like mid figures sometimes, but usually those are like more of like a small area within it.
I feel like I catch a lot of, I see a lot of reversals happen at like the mid ones.
Yeah, those because it's like bigger levels. Like the ones I use the most, like the 800, the 5, 0. Like those, I get the reactions, like the bigger reactions at least.
Yeah, for sure.
The mid ones is more. I feel like it's better lower time frame when you're trying to find like a little scalp type shit where you know it's not probably gonna be like 100 point move, but maybe like 50, maybe 40.
Yeah.
Hey yo, a man who found and destroyed a 4.7 million check for Haribo says the company rewarded him with 6 bags of candy. Why are we closing bearish? What's going on here?
Good test 11,600.
Damn. Yeah, look, the close says it all. I don't even want to part of me doesn't even want to hold this shit that's closing like this. US 30 still like slightly
We never
pushing.
cleared Monday's low either.
Yeah, that's why I have it marked up. I know it's probably gonna get ran. That's the next target
Yeah,
after
this could
this.
crystal area. Because I was looking at the weekly. We did reject from a order block.
I don't like this rejection. Not I don't like this candle at all. Stick to the analysis or cut it early. I might just let it play for a little bit. Or I'm gonna mark up the 50% of my stop loss. If it starts like pushing crazy, I'll probably just cut it in half when it gets there. But we'll see. I'll give it some time. So,
Is it below 705?
my stop
Yeah.
stops at like 675. So it's pretty low. Yeah, it's like 50 points from the previous day's low. So I'll probably be half will be around 700.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't really like the way it's looking. The candle set it all. Look at that. The way we close pointed the direction.
I'm looking at the hour, and that looks scary.
Yeah, it's all bearish now. I wanted to see it was rejecting at first. I wanted to see it go higher. It still could go higher, but it's not at the previous day's low no more. It's not very promising.
Yeah. I still think we could push up to the 800 area because that's where I would like to see.
Yeah, that's what I would hope for, but right now we gonna see. If we can hold 700, we might be good, but only time will tell. Right now, I don't think this is gonna be a play out as of right now, but we'll see. Because US30 is still pushing, so part of me still thinks there's still bullish momentum waiting for Nas, but They kind of been doing the opposite the past 30 minutes anyway. So who knows? Yeah, I don't know. I'll let it stop me out. I'm not gonna cut it, but this is the only trade I'm gonna take, so I'm just let it play. Whatever happens, happens. But right now, this is looking like it's gonna be an Elski. Elski might hold 700, but don't think the probabilities are on that side.
Yeah, crazy. Have you ever heard of the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index or the VTI?
I think so. Ain't that like? I think that's like a. Forget this, but I think my dad has it like part of his 401k or some shit. Like that's where his money gets invested into.
Yeah, it's something people invest into,
Yeah,
but
that's what my
it
dad
pretty
has
much
as well.
follows. It says it follows the equity market, including like small and mid and large cap uh, stocks.
That's just probably
So
down right now though.
yeah, it looks like it's if you look at it, shit looks like it's going to grab hella liquidity and fill in the gap.
Yeah, this tree is looking like a. It's 5 minute candles, fucking shit. Oh, yeah. It's looking like it's gonna be bearish. This is probably gonna be the high of the day up here. Like I said, potentially
Yeah.
just trend lower.
Hmm.
We got a small reaction at the time with that wick, but that was just a false move right there. That would made people think it was gonna push from there. I'm just mad. US 30 still trying to push, and that's just like falling. US 30 just
Yeah,
at least consolidating within that area.
yeah, I'm just studying right now. I'm looking at US 500. It's kind of an interesting area where it's already grabbed the liquidity, but there's liquidity on the top side too. Sit and watch that today for me. You already hit the gym today or
Nah,
this
not
morning?
yet. Not yet. I'm gonna go after this.
Leg day.
I don't even know what's. I might hit legs. Matter of fact, I might have to hit legs. That is definitely what I gotta do.
I need to hit legs. I've been avoiding them. Nah, not really, but a little bit.
I need to get my legs husky. Rejected 700. US 30's pushing. We'll see. Maybe the market gods are on our side. Maybe, maybe not, or maybe they're just waiting to get my hopes up so I could potentially add more position for them to keep running it lower. Maybe, maybe. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
30's kind of ranging.
Mm-hmm. At least waiting for it to try to run them highs right there. Shit, man, so close. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know. Partly the reason I also think we're gonna reverse is that they're doing opposites. Is waiting to either drop crazy on US 30 or push crazy on NAS. Because when they be having this divergence and shit, doing the opposites, it's just waiting for something.
Yeah. Yes,
Especially if
30.
there's no news either.
Yes, 30 is just in a giant choppy range right now.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's waiting on some kind of breakout on US 30 for sure. If anything, it looks like more towards the
Top.
top side.
That's what I'm thinking. That's why I'm partly bullish on NAS because where we are. But it's probably
Yeah,
gonna be the type of thing where if NAS pushes, not NAS, US 30 pushes, it might just be a little bit before NAS follows after.
yeah,
Because it looks like NAS didn't even have that middle. Like it looks like US 30 dropped, tapped into those levels, cleared all the liquidity, then pushed. Compared to NAS is just where it dropped. It didn't push yet.
yeah,
Cause see how it consolidated on that on US 30 around that 33,500 after I had that drop and cleared the lows. I feel like that's where we are in price right now. Like within that consolidation of this just area.
yeah. Because US 30 got the longs that I wanted to see originally on NAS, but NAS kept dropping because I actually took a trade like early. And
Mm.
yeah, US 30 played out, but NAS just kept tanking. And I was like, damn, I wonder what the hell is going on.
Yeah, I
Uh,
don't know. I wish I looked at US 30 first, but I think it was already. It would have been too early for me to get on. Yeah, this happened at like 8:40, 8:30. It's cool. It's cool. I'm break even for yesterday, so regardless, I'm only gonna be taking this one trade. And if it plays out, good for me.
even though I caught that trade yesterday, like I was like, yeah, I can't get excited yet because I was like, I still gotta make a comeback from the last 2 weeks, so it's all part of the process.
There we go. Slowly but surely.
I'm watching the 1 minute to see how we transition.
You know how I be fucking transition. We be in there expecting. Daydreaming a transition. I be seeing a transition before transition. But that's probably just because I've always trading. I've always been aggressive, so I'm just used to. So when I see certain areas, certain times, just gives me more reason. That's why. Same with you though. You're more. You've always waited type of thing. So that's what you're more comfortable with.
Yeah,
I never waited. I was always in there. Like people always had that fear of missing out. I had the what is it? People be always not that fear of missing out. People always talk about having the fear of taking a trade. I have the fear of missing out. So it's usually like two types of people. I'll take too many trades. I ain't scared to put the risk on. I'll take too much risk. Like yeah. But then there's some people where it's like they're scared of the risk. So they're like trying to take so little and they miss a lot of trades. You know what I mean?
yeah, for sure. But you've done it enough to where it's like you know how your system works and you know
Yeah.
what works.
It's all systematic at the end of the day. But
Yeah.
each day looks different, but it's all the same situation. Period stays low, got ran through. I'm expecting a reversal at a certain time from a certain level. Just every day looks a little bit different. You know what I mean? But the characteristics are the same. But we'll see. If this 15-minute candle closes a big wick, then we might be good. Maybe. But yeah, we got 3 minutes on it. So if this closes bullish or just a big ass wick like this should be a good sign regardless, because we're still within that previous A area. Because even times like this, look at this big reaction we had yesterday from this 800 level. This shit came far as fuck into the range. Far as hell. But it's like it still held that level though. You know what I mean? So this is all the volatility. We're really watching the candles, like the bodies. That's the main thing.
Probably want to test all the people that were buying from that level. Take them out. Shit back up.
Let's just
at this level.
I'm just trying to see them keep pushing it up.
I'm looking at the charts inverted, so it's definitely helping out a little bit. So I'm like,
you're looking for it to drop, basically. I see. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I don't know. Sometimes it's just better mentally, especially like if you're a long or short trader. If I'm going for a long, I'm gonna flip the chart, make it look like I'm going for a short.
I'm so used to taking shorts right now, so it's better for me to kind of like look at the charts this way.
Yeah, just if it works, keep doing it.
But I'm gonna get in for the buys if we get a nice reversal.
What the fuck that is doing there?
They put a backwood inside of the fridge. Different. Different.
I'll smoke a box of blunts for breakfast. I imagine Future pulling out like a box of blunts from a freezer.
Real shit. I'm like, this is how you keep them from going stale. I'm like, nah, I don't know about that one, big bro. But hey.
Yeah.
The Black Eyed Peas dropped an album.
I'll turn up. Low key, honestly, that's kind of how I try to explain to people like what kind of music we make.
You like, got that club music.
Like,
this is kind of hot. I ain't gonna lie. This that club shit.
Yo. What up, Keynote?
Man, I took an L and I went to sleep, bro.
Shit, that's the best thing to do sometimes. Get your mind off it. I just go to the gym after my loss. I can't go to sleep after I'm trading. My mind be.
Went to the gym.
Oh yeah, damn.
Yeah, I came home. I was tired. I was like, let me take a trade. I lost. I was like, fuck it, I'm going to sleep.
No, I feel you. That's how I be.
You look for a long.
I was in a short position on US on Nas, and it wicked me out. Do you see that wick right there?
Right the one from 800. That pushed like that dropped from 800.
Yeah, that little like.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, and it wicked me out.
By the 12 a.m. open and shit. Damn, boy.
Yeah, and I was like, fuck it, bro.
Yeah, you're probably more upset now getting on the chart seeing this shit.
I'm tight, bro. I'm looking like, yo, this bitch did exactly what I wanted to do. I'm like, fuck it.
Like,
it was a good time.
Here.
Shit, I've been in these longs for about 30 minutes. Just waiting. Withholding drawdown. It's not bad. It's still looking pretty good, though. The analysis still, I'm still holding it. Just based off of how it's looking. Because US30 hasn't dropped still. It's just been consolidating, so it can still keep pushing.
US30 is a BNMO bitch, man. Can't trade US30 right now.
It had a nice move. It's real choppy.
No move there, it's just choppy.
If this was like a lower time frame, it would make sense. But the fact that the US30 looking out in 15 is moving real slow. Like this is probably like since 8 a.m. It's probably been moving up slowly. I'm waiting for NAS. I want this move to happen within 15 minutes. 15, 20, 30 minutes. Just 2-3 candles. That's all I need. It's 10:30 right now.
Volume so that
I'm just
Let's
watching
see.
because I'm just keeping in mind this low right here. This low is made at 10:15 and it's going into 10:30 right now.
It's at 11,700 too.
Mm-hmm. And it's trying to get back above this previous day's low, and we still got the hour candle. The hour candle can still close above that previous day's high, previous day's low. I mean, so it's just a waiting game right now.
Bro, how do they do this? Been a depressing couple last days, man. Couple weeks.
Yeah. And just remember, it's money.
Trying to get back on, man. Trying to get back on. The market's not allowing me. It's just
Shit just comes down to the strategy. Shit, regardless what the market does, if you just disciplined enough to only take that one or two trades, you already know how much you could lose for the whole week. Like
bro, I've been
if
losing
everything
for
goes wrong.
3 weeks. 3 weeks straight now, bro, and I still didn't blow that account. So
Shit's all part of the plan. I was losing for a while. Like these past 2-3 weeks, I finally got back into the swing of things. But like before that, I was getting clapped left and right.
Well, that's now me.
Shit, it'd be like that. It's just all about maintaining how you react to them. We know it's gonna happen. It's just about how we handle them. That's all.
Thanks.
There we go. Finally, a little bit of blue, a little bit of blue, and there's US 30. US 30, at least go for those wicks.
Just made a fair.
At least one of them. Shit. Nah, that Black Eyed Peas song's kind of hot. I ain't gonna lie.
Good displacement. Good volume.
I'm waiting for this TP1 so I can break even. Shit, I'm glad I risked 50 points because if I would have risked my normal 30 and 35, I would have missed out. That's what I'm gonna start probably doing. Since I already know what I want, trying to catch these reversals, I have to take way more trades to try to catch them. I might start just putting a wider stop with reversal trades so I could try to not take as many trades and still hold one or two trades trying to catch a reversal instead of potentially taking 2-3 trying to catch this shit.
But then your risk to reward has to, I mean, the amount of pips that you catch got to increase.
Yeah, that's the thing though. With reversals though, you always gonna get like a better point count. So if you can risk more on a reversal compared to like a continuation, because the reversals are if you do catch a reversal, you're gonna be at the bottom regardless. So even if you catch it like back into the range, like in here, like this is this was to go to high, this is like a 1-4. But even if I'm able to catch this back into the range, that's a 1-2, just back into it in case it does. You mean, just I be looking both ways. But now I look at best case scenario too. So best case scenario, it could go all the way to a 1-4. So 50 points ain't horrible. Not what I would usually risk, but gotta maintain. Damn, bro, we seen blue for a little bit automatic already. Start rejecting. Sheesh.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for this high to get ran on the 1 minute.
Damn, crazy whip. Ain't that some shit?
Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
Real shit.
tonight, and I'm off the rest of the week.
So what?
I said I work tonight, and I'm off the rest of the week.
Thorough, thorough. Free
Facts.
man. Damn. So this guy had 10 million views this month on YouTube, and he made 117,000.
Word.
Nice.
Who that?
Easy.
Iman Gate Ghazi. You probably know who that is.
Mhm.
He's like a finance YouTuber. He's like a young rich motherfucker.
From Dubai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I fuck with him. I fuck with
Check
people
from
like
his shoulder.
I fuck with him because he's transparent. My boy posted the whole YouTube analytics. My nigga.
He already rich, bro.
Bro, cause bro, he's making millions, and that YouTube money is just side money. And then that makes you think
This
a
guy money,
hundred, and he's making 6 figures a month as side money.
Passively.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
that's light for him, bro.
And
He's
he
just showing you a paycheck, bro.
and he's young too,
Yeah.
bro. I forget how old he's. Maybe like 24, 25, if that.
No, trust me, bro. It'll come sooner than you think, and you're gonna be way up.
Oh yeah, just takes time.
More than you know. More than
All,
you think.
yeah, it just happens fast. Like even with all the money I made it within a small period of time,
Exactly.
and it kind of elevated my life within just from a few months. Shit, I'm saying I'm trying to touch my first million by 22. Sooner, aiming for
Anything's
sooner.
possible, bro.
Cause
You
mind you, bro,
definitely go.
it depends. Cause net worth, I can easily be worth a million by 22. I could just go straight to real estate. Straight real estate, I'm gonna be a millionaire. Promise you, it's easy. Cause that's technically, regardless if I have it cash, it's still my net worth. Technically,
Passive.
but liquid cash is different. Liquid net worth,
Yeah.
how much cash? Once I have a million cash, oh yeah, it's up now. Now
You
it's
can
time.
do it. You're definitely gonna have to, you know, to have other things coming in too,
Nah,
though.
yeah, of course. Just gotta. It's all about leveraging.
Y'all heard what Elon's about to do with Twitter, huh?
With the firing people.
No, not that. He's supposed to be like how he's planning to like change Twitter up, like where people have to like pay to use Twitter,
Oh yeah,
and
like
there's like
free speech, like
You ran into
free
some
speech and
issue
all
with
that.
that, bro.
there's different chips that you can purchase or chip packages, but it's kind of like WeChat in China where like it has like Uber, delivery, shopping, like everything, texting, what everything. So he's
Mm.
trying to integrate Twitter into something like that where like you pay for it.
About to get some NFT badges on Twitter, Dogecoin badges.
We'll see.
Some people when he got bought Twitter, they start buying Dogecoin because there's like now if he promotes it on there, they think
Oh
it's
yeah.
gonna go up. I mean, it's possible, but I don't know.
Well, I have no longer access to my Doge.
You took it all out.
No, my shit was on Binance.
Uh, Rest in peace.
Yeah, sorry.
Live and learn. Live and learn.
Money come, money go. I've donated money to the markets before.
Shit, every day, every week.
I'm gonna just pretend I got stopped out.
Yeah. It's just another loss. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. This really isn't trying to push. It's making me upset.
Being weird.
It's like it's just ranging. We had one wick to the downside. Now we have a wick to the upside. Like, make your mind up, bro. The US 30 is just not
Yeah, it
moving
looks
at
like
all.
it's going back bearish.
Very
Yeah.
unfortunate. Well, at this point, if it goes down and gets set at wick, I'm gonna just close it at that wick. So instead of a 50-point loss, it'll probably be like 38, yeah. Just to keep it under what I was gonna risk, just so I didn't wait here this whole time to take a full loss, I guess. Make it seem like I at least did something.
Way to look at it.
Hey, yo. The first thing Trump says he comes back, he said he advocates death penalty for drug dealers.
Shit.
Hey yo,
Oh hell nah, that nigga tripping.
He bugging, bro. He tripping.
god damn,
That
He
penalty.
look,
he
look,
really said that.
bro.
Going to be asking everyone who sells drugs, gets caught selling drugs, to receive the death penalty for their heinous acts.
This
Because
guy's a menace.
Oh my
This
god.
guy's a
That
menace.
nigga-
going to be asking
He's the opposite of Camila and them. He's the opposite,
What the hell?
bro.
Bro, he's definitely the opposite. He know how to still talk, bro.
Bro, he knows how to make people look at him too. Everyone's gonna be like drug dealers. I'm like, yeah, get him out.
Marketing for him.
Oh yeah, mind you.
That's a dance marketing.
And then he's probably not gonna do it anyway. Look at the wall.
Yeah.
The wall never
Honestly.
happened. It was just to get
He's-
people to vote for him.
False promises.
Hey, but that's the world we live in, man. Bro, we really like. If you turn this chart, the last two candles are literally identical right now. It's like a big ass doji, like on a 30-minute.
I see what you mean.
You say you don't see what I mean?
That was weird.
Yeah, it's just I don't know. Same thing with US30 though. US30 has all them ups candles that are literally just consolidating. Same thing. They're slowly trying to push, but it's just like, damn, bro. They're really waiting for everyone to say fuck long. I guess it's going short, and they're just gonna push this shit at like 12.
Some crazy shit. Yeah, at a random ass
going to
time.
be asking
Hey, I'm
Because
holding
that
this shit.
move happened like during lunch hours, and I was like, "That's very weird."
Yeah, I don't know. They've been moving to
Shit, low key, that bitch might still push back up to 13K.
still possible. I'm just holding
There's so
a
much
stop
areas of
loss.
liquidity. There's no telling what it's gonna do right now, honestly.
Yeah, I see why it would go short on a daily, but it's like, at least give me a pullback.
Looking at the weekly, we were rejected from a order block. Heavy, like a midpoint order block. So it could be a short term, like push down back, but push back up.
Shit, maybe. Right now, I'm looking at this candle. It has 30 seconds to close a little bit higher, or I'm not really gonna have much faith in this tree. I don't. It's just these last 2, 3 candles, 4 candles, just been weird. We got 20 seconds. Close at least doji somewhat.
going to be asking
I think today we're probably gonna range.
Shit.
Tomorrow, for some reason, I feel like we're gonna push hella bullish.
At this point, I'm gonna just hold this trade. If it stops me out, it stops me out. But I'm gonna hold this until it either plays out, cancels out. Yeah, there we go, falling again. Ah, boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's been a winning game. 10:45. The fuck is going on? Is there news, bro? Like 10:45, like momentum just came in. What's going on here?
Did have what crude oil recently? I don't know.
Nah,
That was low
I'm taking
impact.
off this high impact news. I need to see low impact everything. What's going on right now? Cause this ain't adding up, big dog. Let me see. Interest rates, nah. Calendar. What a calendar. Economic calendar. Filter. Medium and low. Okay, so those news at 10:30 and we got some at 11:30. This all like little news, but I'm looking at everything now at this point because shit just
I
be
feel
having.
like they're gonna drag it out and reverse it like mid market or something.
The latest news we have stuff at. Well, this is all low impact. We have media. There's Fed Waller speech later. I don't even know who that is. Who's Fed Waller?
Yeah, they got all these Fed niggas always talking.
Jeez.
Word. Oh, fucking month, bro.
Foreign. Yeah, I never even looked at these low and medium impact news. 20-year bond auction. Net long year TAI slow. Net capital flows. Interesting. It sucks. Cause I know that this looks like it must go higher. I just feel like it's just fucking with people at this point, just taking them
Yeah.
out.
That's why I said it's dragging them.
I'll fuck around if this comes back to break even at a certain time and it's still not moving. I'll probably cut my lot size in half. Not even half. I might cut it by like 25% and add a few points to my stop loss to just give it like put it below that low over there too. Cause I feel like it's still gonna push. It's just this range. I feel like we're just gonna get a burst that probably clears these lows at a time, and then we finally push, or just we push from here. But better safe than sorry. I'm not trying to over leverage. I'd rather lower my risk on this trade than put more risk.
Not gonna lie, 11,650 kind of looks interesting. If you look at it
650.
because then it would take out Monday's low, and then it would come into that OB.
That would be ideal. But then at that point, if it clears that low, that would probably be our low of the week in my opinion. That we keep pushing.
Yeah,
I wouldn't
that's
want to
what
see
I'm
it
thinking.
pushing to keep going lower. Like if that happens, more than likely this would be the low. And then at least I'll have a reason to have a big ass push. Shit, we gonna see. Right now it's just a waiting game at this point. Watching paint dry.
Yeah.
Facts. Facts.
Let me give myself.
Paris way. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably gonna be no. Hey, I'm just glad I was able to be within this trade for a little bit longer. I thought it was gonna stop me out like 20 minutes ago. It gave me the chance to get out at break even, so I can't get mad at it.
Still in?
Yeah, I'm still in. I'm just waiting to see what it's trying to do right now. I said if it clears that short-term low right here, I'll probably just cut my trade slightly short so I don't have to withhold that whole loss because I was here this whole time anyway, so I might as well make it somewhat worth it, but we'll see. It could still hold 700, but right now it's just fucking bullshit. It's not moving. Little volume. Go your pouch. Yeah, racks on the codowns. Yeah. Oh yeah, we dropping. Once it clears this low, I'll probably just cut it. Shit, probably won't even have time to. Shit.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. I just cut it from there. Rest in peasy. Rest in peasy. Well, if this ends up rejecting from here, I'm smacking it. I'm going to New York and I'm smacking a nigga.
Why New York?
Because I know it's one of them niggas in the stock exchange. I'm gonna ask them niggas. I'm like, who's in charge of the NASDAQ? Come here real quick. Cause
Who
shit,
unloaded 5,000 lots? Shit.
real shit. Well, I seen it. I read the order flow. You bitch. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that rejecting. Fucking bitch ass trade. Bitch ass.
Hmm.
Yeah, rest in peace, yeah. Rest in peace. I'm still up 5% for the past 8 days. Not bad.
Good.
Yeah, this area we were looking on the daily looks like it's starting to hold. We'll see.
I'm just interested to see how this day plays out.
At this point, this shit just looks like it's trending lower. It just doesn't plan on moving higher.
There's just so much liquidity on both sides. That's why I'm interested to see. Because it really could go either way.
Now, even your sir, there's still a chance that it's still gonna go long. That's why this whole Nash shit fucking me up. What time is it? It's about to be 11 already. Yeah, I'm about to just call it a day.
Facts. I always call it day around 11.
Yeah, I don't like being on past that. Unless I'm like in a
Fact.
trade and it's holding it. But if I'm not in a trade,
Yeah, if I'm in a trade already, then I'll stay. What's that about?
Yeah. That was the thing to do.
yeah. Nah, US30 looks like it's starting to drop too. Look, US30 was just trading within that fair value gap this whole time.
This 30's a little bitch. I'm fucking hate US 30 right now.
Yeah, damn. Last 2 days have been annoying.
Another trash day in the markets, man. Staying the course. I'm down 4% now on the account. So
Shit.
yeah,
Nothing
I'm
but two good trades can't make back.
I mean,
Oh.
I just got back from 6%.
Yeah, I'm in a hole and I dropped down my risk. Now I'm only risking 0.5. So I'm like, all right, cool. Let's see how much I could dig.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
right
I
now,
forgot, Andre.
shit.
I'm
So
gonna
what?
hit you up. I said I'm gonna hit you up on how to So basically, what you use? You use OBS, right? OBS Studios to go live.
So just download OBS to go live. But if you want to do like, you could do the Zoom ones. You already know how to do the Zoom.
And I don't know how to do Zoom. I have Zoom. I bought the subscription yesterday.
All right, bet. But what you could do is, yeah, you could just have OBS. You could do your whole thing on there and just record it while you do the Zoom. Or even you could, if you wanted to, I think there's a way you could just have it so Zoom just saves the video after it's done anyway. So you could kind of just post that if you really wanted to.
Nah, I have OBS already. I just never used it, bro.
Now, yeah,
Right.
OBS is thorough. I like OBS. I've been using it for years.
I'm about to try it out today.
Yeah, it can be real creative, but you got fun with it. Yeah, we're really in the shitter. Nash, this shit is down.
Nice. US 30 dropping right now, so that could be a correlation. Yeah, Nas is fucked.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, bro. That shit is in the shitter right now. I mean, the areas I was looking for to get hit got hit, but wasn't really able to
Really trying to
capitalize off
climb
of.
bad, but it's just not there.
And US 30's rejecting now. Let me see. If US 30 still holds 500, they're still probably gonna push. But I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade though. More or less, just I just want to see it push. Like I want to see this just push. Like it's just fucking my head up that it's not pushing. Like damn.
Yeah, bro. I don't even know why, bro. It's just dropping.
All this
They
news,
had
I guess.
good news this morning.
Trump
Whatever.
spoke, and it was like, yeah, volume.
Volume. Yo, I heard when Trump was in office, that's what would happen, bro. Like he would talk and the markets would
Yeah,
move
cause bro's a
different.
menace. You see the shit he be saying.
He was a menace. Niggas was scared whenever he would talk. Yo, I'm actually looking forward to that again. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
that's what I'm saying. Get Joe Biden out of here, bro. Get him
get
out of
Joe
here.
Byron sleepy ass out of here. The niggas on Tylenol all the time, bro.
My boy, at least my boy Trump be in the markets. He knows what's up.
He knows something.
He's on our side.
He a market mover. He know what he doing. This nigga Joe Biden sleeper.
It's just crazy, bro. Like NASA's not having no wicks. Like at least US 30 is having wicks and stuff, rejecting, clearing structure. NASA just drop, straight drop. Like these 5-minute candles just drop.
You have wicks is worse, bro, because there's no clear direction.
Nah, but you can kind of just like, but even if you look at the wicks, you can kind of see where it's rejecting at least. Like NASA just not really. It's just small wicks, no rejection, and big candles. It's like you can't get a clear idea on what it's trying to do. Yeah, Lima, he got the shorts. Dumb Daniel. At least clear Monday's low already. Like damn it. Still right there. Right there. I just want to see it clear the low.
You jumping back in?
Nah. Unless it like gets a crazy rejection, I see like a bullish engulfing on US 30 happen before NAS, then probably not. But if US 30 says it pushes from here crazy after we clear this low, Monday's low, it might give me more reason to get in because then I know it could possibly be that low of the week too. So it might be a type of thing where I might not even have to trade tomorrow if I get a good, if it ends up being a low of the week. But that's all situational if that. But neither here nor there. So I'm trying to just wait right now. Because if we push from here and we didn't clear this low right here, I'm definitely not getting in. Definitely not getting in. Because it's just gonna create too much uncertainty for me. I wanna know that that's more than likely not gonna get ran down to. They said his credit score is higher than his album sales. Wild. It's fucked up. We didn't clear that low, and we're starting to reject here. Let's see.
Someone's gonna flip the.
That's how I'm feeling right here. Just like these. This is what they say.
You should be straight though. I mean, you are up. You said what, like 5%
Yeah,
now?
I'm up, but it's like, damn, bro. Why you do this? Why you do this? Why you do this?
The current mood.
Yeah, current mood. Like I already know. It's just like, damn. Now I'm just like, I can't trade till tomorrow. Damn. You know how
Like,
it is.
dang, I wanted to play the game, but
Real shit. It's like I'm playing the game, man. I was trying to play the game and it didn't let me play the fucking game. It's like I was in the queue the whole time, just for them to kick me out.
yes. Speaking of queues, I bet you the Warzone servers are crazy right now.
Shit, real shit. It's not even out yet, too. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna be here
Oh,
at 1.
it is out.
It is maybe
Yeah,
for other people. I probably have to change my location then.
where is it dropping for? There's only location based.
I think it was time based because Jenner was like it comes out at 1 p.m. So
It should be out now for everybody.
I might have to say.
Go check because I actually need to download it. They said it's supposed to be like 150 gigs.
Damn.
Oh shit! Might have to go grab a hard drive.
At this point. Yeah, I don't know what the market's doing this. I just took my L. I'm probably just gonna call it a day. But I head to the gym. There we go, rejecting a little bit. I don't know how I feel about long, so it's possible, but if I do get longs, I would put it right below this low, best case scenario. So that's about 30 points in my opinion. I think that would be best bet for someone to go for longs with a 30-point stop, anticipating that we keep pushing from here.
Oh snap!
That's what I'm watching. I'm like, is my shit frozen? I know. But I'm watching. I'm like, I don't know. US 30 looks like it's a rejection whip. Nats looks like it could engulf. It's a weird area in time.
I was watching this Modern Warfare after I updated my game. They're doing like the little video before the new Warzone.
I'm thinking if someone's take a trade, best bet 30 points. And if this stops you out, bro, don't take anything else. Just call it a day at that point. Because if this doesn't play out, it's just going to slowly turn lower and keep fucking everyone trying to go long. Just keep on fucking them. So if this doesn't play out, because I personally think it probably cleared this low on a different liquidity feed. Ain't no way it came to the point. If I go to a different one, it more than likely did. Because, all right, like, say it didn't. Okay. Keeping that in mind. They will probably keep going lower if we do have a push done. But I'm looking at US 30. US 30 still has a low of the day. It can still push higher. So that's kind of how I'm looking at the two. So if this was to play out, it could potentially play good. But if it doesn't, small risk, 30 points. Don't kill yourself, but I'm probably just going to go to the gym, bro. If anything, I'll keep the chat updated.
Yeah, honestly,
I'm not going to watch it. It's just killing my head watching these black candles. Fucking my noggin up. But now, all right. I'm going to talk to y'all, boys. I'm going to talk to you, Pandos. Pandos, appreciate you for being here and everyone watching it live on YouTube. Appreciate y'all for being here also. We're going to be back tomorrow. We're going to see what we could do. Time is money. But now, all right, Pandos, you be safe. You too, Cal.
Honestly, let me know if you hop on the Warzone. Honestly, we can squad up.
Nah, I'm going to be on, give me like at 12 or 1, I'll probably hop on. I'm going to get Jenner too, so we're going to be lit.
So I'm going to hit the gym and everything, so I'll probably be on them too.
All right, best. Sounds good. But all right, bro.
All right,
you be safe.
Peace.
Sometimes when I sit back and really let it register, I did everything I said I would and said it first. I mean, the world's in denial, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed
this
Zen
money.
into the metaverse. Meanwhile, I'm over here just trying to pen a verse. Cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts. The label used to wonder how I'm supposed to stand next to Vert. Probably never thought that I would get these legs to work. I work hard, but hard shit don't need no extra work. That's why I show up in a sweatshirt and let it burn. The world's mine, I just say fuck it, let it turn. The girl's mine, I just say fuck it, have a turn. The goats call me to the side like, can we have a word? I could've fronted, but I did this shit how I preferred. I know I should be humble, but it's something I just haven't learned. Soon enough, I had to make these bad habits burn. Soon enough, we about to come and get the shit we earned. You're not a fan now, but I remember when you used to be fanned out.